What up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, Millennial Generating Wealth. This is going to be week 13 of our journey towards that million. As I mentioned in the last video, the past couple weeks, it's been a lot going on. Moved into my new spot and then some other stuff. After this week's video, we'll be all caught up though. So this week's upload will cover the data between March 25th and March 29th, which is week 13. Back in week 12's video, we finished out at $167,400. Then at the end of week 13, the portfolio is now sitting at $166,940. So we had a slight dip in the portfolio, nothing crazy, maybe only like $500, $400. Thanks to me trading options, which was kind of like a cushion, which cushioned the blow to the stocks dipping down a little bit. Also, I wanted to point out that this week's video actually wraps up the first quarter of 2024. So we started the year in the first video with a balance of around $138,000, and now we finished out the quarter with this video sitting at about $167,000. So in the first quarter of this year, in the first 3 months, I grew my account by about $29,000. I can kind of use this performance for the first quarter as a benchmark to set my goals for the next quarter based on this. Now, I like to set realistic goals, and I know that nearly $30,000 in just 3 months is pretty high for a portfolio my size. I think that maybe around $19,000 to $20,000 will be what I aim for the next quarter, but I'll have to look at this a little bit more in depth, run some numbers, and then I'll probably make a video pertaining to my goals in the future and things like that. So now let's go ahead and get into the transactions for week 13. So on March 25th, made a profit of $113. On March 26th, made $122. On March 27th, I made $85, and then on March 28th, I made $112. On March 29th, stock market was closed for the holiday, so that all totals out to be $432 for week 13 from trading. So despite the stocks not doing so well, I was still able to generate $432 in cash flow from trading. I also plan on broadening my portfolio a little bit, purchased about 100 shares of a dividend ETF. I'm just trying to figure out which one I want to do. So thanks again for tuning in and following along with me on this journey. I'll catch y'all in the next video.